Fedora versus Trilby Linux distros explained. Choosing the right Linux distro can completely change how you experience stability and customization without getting overwhelmed by complex setups. Fedora and Trilby both offer unique advantages for different users. Fedora and Trilby are both Linux distributions but serve distinct purposes. Fedora focuses on cutting-edge features and community-driven development, while Trilby targets simplicity and streamlined performance. The core difference lies in Fedora's innovation pace versus Trilby's minimalist, user-friendly approach. Fedora is a community-supported Linux distro sponsored by Red Hat, known for delivering the latest open-source technologies. It works by providing a robust modern platform with frequent updates and strong security features. Fedora integrates well with development tools and supports a wide range of hardware. Its strengths include a large, active community and access to cutting-edge software, making it ideal for developers and Linux enthusiasts who want the newest features without sacrificing stability. However, Fedora's rapid update cycle can sometimes introduce instability or require more frequent maintenance. It's less suited for users seeking a long-term, low-maintenance system. Fedora is perfect for users comfortable with Linux who want to stay on the forefront of technology and value a rich ecosystem of software and support. Trilby is a Linux distro designed for simplicity and efficiency, focusing on a minimalistic user experience. It works by streamlining core components and reducing unnecessary software, which leads to faster performance and lower resource usage. Trilby's strengths include ease of use, lightweight design, and straightforward configuration, making it accessible for beginners or users with older hardware. The distro prioritizes stability and minimalism over the latest features, which means fewer updates and less complexity. However, Trilby may lack some advanced tools and bleeding-edge software found in more mainstream distros like Fedora. It's ideal for users who want a clean, fast Linux experience without the overhead of frequent updates or complex system management. Trilby suits those who prefer a simple setup and reliable performance over constant innovation. Fedora and Trilby cater to different user needs. Fedora offers the latest software, making it suitable for developers or power users who want to experiment with new technologies. Its frequent updates provide fresh features but can require more system management. In contrast, Trilby focuses on simplicity and speed, perfect for users who prioritize stability and minimal maintenance. For example, Fedora excels in development environments with its extensive software repositories, while Trilby shines on older hardware or for users new to Linux. The trade-off is between Fedora's cutting-edge innovation and Trilby's streamlined, user-friendly approach, so your choice depends on whether you value new features or ease of use. Choose Fedora if you want a feature-rich, up-to-date Linux experience with strong community support and don't mind managing frequent updates. Opt for Trilby if you prefer a lightweight, stable, and simple Linux distro that requires minimal maintenance. Both distros serve distinct purposes, so your ideal choice depends on whether you prioritize innovation or ease of use in your Linux journey.